Hi, Michael Wild again, and here is your estate planning tip of the week. Well, the estate planning tip this week is very topical. It's about the artist known as Prince, or the artist formerly known as Prince, since he's no longer of this world. Now, Prince is all over the news, not just because he was a gifted artist that died too young, at 57 years old, but right now he's all over the news because of the trials and tribulations his family are going through because he died without a will. So Prince had no children, and a lot of times people will ask, well, if I don't have any children, why do I need to worry about a will or a trust or any other estate planning documents? And here's why. So Prince does have siblings and half-siblings and other relatives coming out of the woodwork, and I guarantee there'll be at least a couple of illegitimate children that'll pop up saying that Prince had an affair with their mother 20 years ago and now they're entitled to the estate. This estate is going to be in litigation for quite some time. Not only did Prince die with a vast fortune, money, houses, other assets, but the intellectual property involving his songs, his passion, the work that he did, that's up for grabs too. And that's money that can last for generations. Marilyn Monroe's estate, Elvis Presley's estate, these were litigated because those type of dividends pay off over decades and sometimes even centuries. So Prince didn't have a will. Now the state of Minnesota, which has a very difficult intestate statute to comprehend, the state's going to decide what happens to the money. The court's going to decide what happens to the money. Prince is not going to get to decide what happens to the money, and that's unfortunate. So my advice to you is, even if you don't have any kids, get the estate plan in place, get your will in place, get your trust in place to avoid probate, and you should control who gets your little red Corvette. That's your estate planning tip of the week. Michael Wild.